In this video, we'll provide an in-depth review of the Tata AIA Life Insurance Fortune Guarantee Plus. We'll cover its features, benefits, and how it's designed as a non-linked, non-participating savings plan for financial protection and guaranteed income. Stay with us till the end to understand if this plan aligns with your financial goals. The Tata AIA Life Insurance Fortune Guarantee Plus is categorized as a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. For clarity, this means the plan's performance is not directly tied to market fluctuations, and policyholders do not participate in the company's profits. Instead, it aims to offer a combination of financial protection and a guaranteed regular income stream, which could be relevant for long-term financial planning. At its core, the Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Plus is presented as a dual-purpose savings plan. It is structured to potentially serve as a financial safety net for dependents, while concurrently providing a guaranteed income stream, which can be a factor in meeting future financial requirements. Let's now examine the key features that define the structure and offerings of this plan. These elements are designed to provide a degree of flexibility within its framework. The plan offers two distinct options. Option 1, regular income, is solely focused on providing a steady income. Option 2, regular income with an inbuilt critical illness benefit, includes the regular income stream alongside coverage for specified critical illnesses. This critical illness component aims to offer financial support in the event of a serious health diagnosis. Policyholders can select an income period ranging from 20 to 45 years, chosen in multiples of 5 years, allowing for alignment with long-term financial objectives. The combined policy term and income period can extend up to 50 years. For the critical illness option, the income period is standardized at 30 years for a 5-year premium payment term and 25 years for a 10-year premium payment term. A notable feature is the return of premium benefit, which is payable at the conclusion of the selected income period. Additionally, policyholders have the flexibility to choose their preferred income payout frequency, either monthly or annually. For the single premium payment option, a joint life feature is available, allowing for coverage of an additional individual. The plan also provides various premium payment terms, designed to offer flexibility in managing premium outlays. Policyholders can augment their coverage by adding optional riders. Furthermore, the plan may offer tax benefits in accordance with prevailing tax regulations. Let's now delve into a detailed analysis of the core benefits provided by the Tata AIA Life Insurance Fortune Guarantee Plus. Upon policy maturity and fulfillment of all premium payments, the guaranteed annual income commences and continues for the selected income period. This income is paid irrespective of the life insured survival during this period. An income booster may also be added, particularly for non-single pay options if the policy persists. At the end of the income period, the return of premium benefit is paid. This benefit consists of the guaranteed maturity benefit, which is a percentage of total premiums paid, and any applicable milestone benefit, an additional lump sum for non-single pay options. To clarify, the return of premium benefit is derived from the sum of the guaranteed maturity benefit and any applicable milestone benefit. The plan includes a provision for receiving a commuted lump sum. Policyholders can opt to receive the discounted value of their future guaranteed annual income, including any income booster, plus the return of premium benefit, as a single lump sum at any point during the income period. This commuted value is calculated using a discount rate of 8.25% per annum, which is connected to the prevailing 30-year government securities yield plus 1%. The death benefit is a fundamental component of the plan. In the event of the life insured's demise during the policy term, provided the policy is in force, a death benefit is payable. This benefit is determined as the highest of three calculated values: 1.10 times the single premium or 10 times the annualized premium, 105% of the total premiums paid up to the date of death, or the basic sum assured. It is also stipulated that the death benefit will always be at least the surrender value at the date of death. For single life policies, the policy terminates upon the death of the insured. However, for joint life policies, the policy continues after the first death, with a death benefit paid, and then terminates upon the second death. It's also important to note that if death occurs during the grace period, the policy remains valid, and benefits are paid after deducting any unpaid premiums. The critical illness benefit, exclusive to Plan Option 2, offers a financial safety net. If the life insured is diagnosed with any of the specified major critical illnesses prior to maturity, and following a 90-day waiting period to significant events occur, the guaranteed annual income, including any income booster, will commence, and all future premiums will be waived. The policy will then continue as in force, aiming to maintain financial stability during challenging health periods. A 30-day survival period after diagnosis is required, and the diagnosis must be the first occurrence of that specific condition for the individual. This demonstrates the functional flow of the critical illness benefit, where diagnosis triggers income commencement and premium waiver, allowing the policy to continue providing benefits. For our first illustration, we consider a male aged 35, opting for the regular income plan. The annualized premium is 1 lakh rupees, paid for 10 years. The policy term is 10 years, and the income term is set for 25 years, starting from the 11th policy year and continuing until the 35th year. Reviewing the table, we can observe the premium payments over the initial 10 years. From year 10 onward, the guaranteed annual income commences, with a return of premium benefit payable in year 34. For a total premium outlay of 10 lakhs rupee over 10 years, the projected grand total benefit in this scenario is 30 lakhs 24,500 rupees. This illustrates the potential guaranteed returns under this option. Next, we consider the same individual, but with the inclusion of the critical illness benefit. We will examine two sub-scenarios for this option. In this sub-scenario, assuming no critical illness diagnosis occurs until maturity, the plan projects a grand total benefit of 30 lakhs 13,500 rupees for the 10 lakhs rupees in premiums paid. This demonstrates the benefit generation even without triggering the critical illness component, reflecting the cost of the added coverage. This sub-scenario highlights the protective aspect of the critical illness benefit. Here, a critical illness diagnosis occurs in the third policy year, after only 3 lakhs rupees in premiums have been paid. As illustrated in this table, upon the critical illness diagnosis, all future premiums are waived, and the guaranteed annual income begins. Despite a significantly reduced premium outlay of 3 lakhs rupees, the projected grand total benefit is approximately 29 lakhs 57,870 rupees. This demonstrates how the plan is designed to provide financial support and maintain income continuity in the face of a qualifying health event. Premium payments can be made annually, half-yearly, quarterly, or monthly, with potential modal loadings based on frequency. Optional riders, such as the Comprehensive Protection Rider or Comprehensive Health Rider, can be added to enhance coverage, either at policy inception or on any anniversary. A grace period of 15 days for monthly premium mode and 30 days for other modes is provided, during which the policy remains in force. In instances of unpaid premiums, the policy may either lapse or convert to a reduced paid-up policy, contingent on the duration of premiums paid. Under a reduced paid-up policy, benefits are adjusted by an RPU factor. A lapsed policy can be revived within 5 years from the due date of the first unpaid premium, subject to specific conditions including application, health certificate, and payment of overdue premiums with interest, currently 8.98% simple per annum as of 1st April 2025. Additionally, a 30-day free look period is provided, allowing policyholders to cancel the policy and receive a refund after deductions for proportionate risk premium, stamp duty, and medical examination costs. Regarding specific timelines, a 90-day waiting period applies to death claims for policies purchased through the point of sale channel, unless the death is accidental. For the critical illness option, a 90-day waiting period applies to the first diagnosis of any covered illness. Furthermore, once the policy acquires surrender value, policyholders can avail a loan up to 80% of this value. The current loan interest rate is 8.98% per annum, compounding annually, as of 1st April 2025, and is subject to review every 6 months. If the policy is issued on a minor's life, it automatically vests in them upon reaching the age of majority. Lastly, The policy includes a suicide exclusion. In the event of suicide within 12 months from the policy's commencement or revival, the nominee is entitled to receive at least 80% of the total premiums paid or the surrender value, whichever is higher, and the policy then terminates. This exclusion also applies to joint life policies if either insured commits suicide. On the pros side, a major draw is the guaranteed income, providing predictable and fixed payouts which can be crucial for long-term financial planning. It offers strong financial security through its dual benefit of life cover and income. The integrated critical illness cover in option 2 provides a valuable layer of protection against major health setbacks. Additionally, the plan offers flexible payout options in terms of both income period duration and frequency, whether monthly or annually. Like any financial product, there are points to consider. One aspect is the absence of market upside potential. This means that, over very long terms, the fixed returns might face an inflation impact, potentially reducing the real value of the income if inflation is consistently high. It's a long-term commitment, requiring consistent premium payments to realize its full benefits. Early termination can incur high costs, and the surrender value might be less than the total premiums paid. Let's address some of the most commonly asked questions regarding the Tata AIA Fortune Guarantee Plus plan. What are the primary objectives of this plan? The plan aims to provide financial protection for dependents and establish a guaranteed regular income stream for future financial requirements. Can the income frequency be changed from annual to monthly after policy inception? No. The chosen income frequency, whether monthly or annual, must be selected at policy inception and cannot be altered subsequently. What constitutes the return of premium benefit? It comprises the guaranteed maturity benefit and any applicable milestone benefit, payable at the end of the income period. Is it possible to receive a lump sum instead of regular income? Yes. Policyholders have the option to receive the commuted value of future guaranteed annual income and the return of premium benefit as a lump sum anytime during the income period. What is the grace period for premium payments? A 15-day grace period is allowed for monthly payments and 30 days for all other modes. What is the policy status if premium payments cease after 1 year? If at least one full year's premium has been paid, the policy will convert into a reduced paid-up policy. If less than a year's premium is paid, the policy will lapse. Can a lapsed policy be revived? Yes. A lapsed policy can typically be revived within 5 years from the due date of the first unpaid premium, subject to specific conditions. Are there any tax benefits associated with this plan? Yes. The plan may offer tax benefits as per applicable tax laws. If you are considering this plan, you can initiate the process using the Contact Us form, the link for which is in our description. To proceed, you will typically need to provide essential documents such as ID proof, PAN card, address proof, and income proof. Depending on your profile and the specific plan chosen, medical tests may also be required. In conclusion, the Tata AIA Life Insurance Fortune Guarantee Plus offers a combination of life cover and a guaranteed income stream, aiming to address both protection and long-term financial accumulation goals. Its structured benefits, including the critical illness option, provide defined payouts that could be relevant for various life stages and financial needs. The plan's flexibility in income periods and premium payments allows for a degree of customization in financial planning. It's crucial to approach any financial decision with careful consideration. First, take your time to thoroughly assess your current financial situation. Next, clearly factor in your personal risk tolerance, your specific income needs for the future, and your overall long-term financial goals. Most importantly, we strongly recommend talking to a qualified financial expert. Their insights can help ensure you are making the most informed and suitable decision for your unique circumstances. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description. We've packed it with resources just for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it.